Robotics and farm automation technologies have seen a significant spike in interest and investment, marking the start of a structural change in food and farming. But for the most part, commercial robotics is still mainly unexploited. Robs4Crops promises to bring a high-tech revolution to farms and offer tremendous potential impact on productivity, efficiency, and environmental sustainability. We are a multidisciplinary network building a family of fully autonomous robotic systems ready for large-scale commercial trials. In the first instance, our agricultural robotic system is being used for spraying and mechanical weeding, but we anticipate expanding its range of tasks in the future. Crop protection is quite demanding and labor-intensive. It takes a great deal of concentration to keep the tractor of the weeding tool aligned not to damage the crop instead of the weeds. Tasks such as intermittent or mechanical spraying and weeding are often poorly paid, unpleasant, repetitive, and health-threatening, whether from pesticides or dust floating through the air. Furthermore, the COVID-19 pandemic is affecting the availability of human labor. Robs4Crops aims to tackle those challenges and respond to an imperative of replacing human labor with robots on poorly paid, repetitive, and unhealthy operations. Robs4Crops will look closely at those socioeconomic aspects of using robotic farming, exploring the costs and benefit of robotic farming. This will be conducted by collecting data needed for calculations and presenting them in a web-based planning tool. Robotics have already found commercial use in the agriculture industry, such as Roboti from our partner AgroIntelli or the Seal robot from our partner AgriInCulture. However, there are still many obstacles to the widespread adoption of agricultural robotics, and Robs4Crops aims to accomplish a set of technical and non-technical goals to impact those. Technical aims cover the development of autonomous vehicles, smart implements, and software. Smart implements, the sprayer and the weeder, will be designed to enable tracking of their operational condition and timely adjusting. Besides Roboti and the Seal robots, Robs4Crops will use conventional tractors, retrofitted to make and behave like autonomous vehicles. This will allow farmers to use their current investment in this kind of machinery without having to buy completely new equipment, which is an important stepping stone towards a fully automated farming system. Robs4Crops will write the software that schedules and orchestrates tasks and responds to sudden events on the field. The digital twin technology will make it possible to simulate the effects of alternative responses to events and then choosing the most appropriate one. Robs4Crops will build on existing standards such as the 3-point hitch ISOBUS, existing tractors, implements, farm management information systems, or enterprise resource planning systems. Simultaneously, Robs4Crops will aim to improve the state-of-the-art by improving obstacle detection capability and building robots that are capable of conducting complete tasks, move to the work field, respond to unpredictable events, and move back to storage. At the same time, we will address the compliance with regulations, roboethics, and socioeconomic impact of robotic farming. In a bold commitment to mainstreaming robotic farming, Robs4Crops will provide a safe testing ground for iterative development and innovation through a network of collaborating partners. The existing agricultural implements and tractors will be upgraded so that they can function together with existing agricultural robots as part of a fully autonomous robotic system. Our flexible and modular new generation system will consist of 3 elements: smart implements, autonomous vehicles, and the farming controller. Fine-tuning and testing will take place in practice under real operating conditions in 4 countries: France, Greece, Spain, and the Netherlands. The focus is on high-value crops and the most demanding and repetitive field operations, namely mechanical weeding control and spraying against pests and diseases. To ensure post-project sustainability, Robs4Crops will reach out to third parties with the help of the digital innovation hubs and explore all business modeling opportunities such as the ownership or shared ownership, renting, or sharing it between 2 or more farmers in the form of a cooperative. Furthermore, contracting as a usual way of deploying expensive equipment, or service contracts where farmers charge for specific services. Robs4Crops is a wide ecosystem, bringing together all the different private and public players, such as farmers, retailers, regulatory bodies, technology providers, or citizens, in a co-innovation dynamic to support all aspects of the practical application of agricultural robots. Visit our website robs4crops.eu to explore our consortium and keep up to date with ongoing activities. Let's stay connected!